Welcome back. Just before I sum up this series, I'd just like to go through our image trace function. This is where you can change an imported image to make it look like any artwork you desire. It just takes a bit of file space. That's the only problem with it. So make sure you're on a good computer so it doesn't lag out and stops you from working. So here's a fresh artboard. Let's insert a image. What do we have? We'll just go back to our avocado. And originally it's in your Windows tab, and you go down to your image trace, and then it'll pop up in your right side tabs. So you can adapt the image any way you want. Let's go a preview so you know exactly what you're going to be doing. And look at that. Outlines. Outlines the source image. Just the source image itself is what we imported. But you can change it to grayscale. Color. The color is interesting. You see how there's 2 colors and 30 colors? You can choose how much colors is actually in that image, because that image is made up of a wide range of colors. Bring it down to simplify it. Just depends what balance you like. And in our preset, so you've got those colors already selected for you. You can go low fidelity photo if you want. And yeah, so just have a play around. It's pretty cool.